Hey everyone, I am starting a YouTube channel. I'm going to be making slime a lot, and I'm going to show you all the ingredients you need. You need shaving foam to make it fluffy. You need Elmer's glue because that is PVA glue, which works best for slime. You need lotion to make it stretchy. Any type of lotion will do. You need food coloring to make all the colors. You need something to mix in, and right now I'm going to use something very small to make a tiny batch. And then something to mix with. You could also use glitter, which is optional, but I am not going to right now. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you are going to add a little bit of glue, and I will come back when I am done. Okay, I am done pouring all the glue that I need. Now I'm going to put some shaving cream. I will be back once I am done. Okay, I'm done adding my shaving cream. Now all we do is we mix. And I'll come back once I am done mixing. Okay guys, once you are done mixing your shaving foam and your glue, you are going to add some lotion, and it can be any lotion. I'll come back when I am done. Okay, I am done mixing in the lotion, and next, only if you want to, add some food coloring and your glitter, which is both optional. Okay guys, I'm done mixing in my food coloring, and I mixed in blue, which is my favorite color. Fun fact. And now we are going to add our activator, which is 1 cup of warm water, and then 1 teaspoon of borax. That's the method I can use. You can use cornstarch or detergent, and I will get right back once I've added my activator. Hey guys, I found out when I was mixing my activator that the bottom was still white, so make sure when you're stirring with your food coloring, make sure that you're getting the bottom too, so don't leave any white. So yeah, so I will get back once my slime is fully ready with all the activator in it. Okay guys, once you've started mixing in your activator real fast, once you've started mixing in your activator and your slime has gotten like this, like sticky consistency, you're going to start kneading it with your hands, and then keep adding your activator as you are kneading, like this. And if you hear any talking or noise, that's just my family, so don't worry about that. Okay, and I will come back once I am ready and my slime is fully done and ready to play with and non-sticky. Hey guys, I'm finally done mixing my slime, and it took forever. And as you can see, I had a little mess because my hands are like they're very messy. And now I'm going to show you the slime up close. So let's get on with the video. Hey guys, and here's the close-up of the slime. And yes, it is blue, and it is a puffy slime. Oh, sorry guys, the camera. Okay guys, I'm back. The camera kept falling. And this is the close-up of the slime. Like I said. And it is stretchy because I added lotion. And it's puffy because I added shaving cream. And it is blue because I added blue food coloring. And make sure you do always use Elmer's glue because it is a PVA glue. And PVA glue is slime glue to make the slime like work. And Elmer's glue is also thick to make the slime also. So yeah, this is my first video, and don't forget to like, and once I get to 15 subscribers, every 15 subscribers I get, I will be doing a slime giveaway. And and I will pick a random person, and make sure when you subscribe, you leave a comment saying I subscribed. That way I know who one of the who to pick for the slime giveaways, and make sure you like, comment if you subscribed, and if this slime worked for you, and subscribe for the giveaway. And bye guys, see you tomorrow in my next video.